What's up, tubers? Okay, if you haven't seen my video or it's not out yet, I'm doing paint correction. I'm getting the minor scratches off of my truck. And now I'm down to my back door panel. I've never taken the spare tire off. So I'm guessing you haven't either, or you wouldn't be here. If you got this cover on your back, you're going to need a 12 millimeter to remove it. I want to hear something funny. This is a funny observation, but baby boomers grew up with ratchet wrenches, not these electric battery powered torque wrenches that I see everybody else on YouTube using. That's why we're in stronger and better shape than any of the millennials. Phew! Okay, it looks like from here we need our locking lug nut out of the dash and two at the top. We don't need to do anything else on there. There it is. Okay, 12 millimeter wrench and your lug wrench, and this comes off. And we'll hose you down. And that's it. That's as easy as it is to take it off, goes back on the same way. All right, man, you know what to do. Thumbs up, subscribe, notifications. See ya.